Greetings, my name is Margaret Erickson. I'm the CEO for the American Holistic Nurses Credentialing Corporation. Today I'm going to talk a few minutes with you about what are the continuing education and practice requirements that must be met before you can apply for the Nurse Coach Certification Examination. One of the questions we frequently hear is how many continuing education hours do I need to apply for the Nurse Coach Certification Exam? And the answer is that you need 60 hours related to nurse coaching. These CE hours do not have to come from a specific program, but rather it has to be a program or a course that builds knowledge that you will use as a nurse coach. Another question we get is what courses can I take to meet the application continuing education requirement for the Nurse Coach certification? Will any course be accepted? Any course that's related to nurse coaching, theory, research, or practice, health, wellness, well-being, spirituality, nutrition, person-centered care, or relationship-based care, communication skills such as motivational interviewing or active listening or deep questioning, any of these would be accepted to help meet the CE requirement because all of them will be used when you're working within the role of nurse coaching and with your clients. These courses may be C&E programs or academic courses that are taken at a college or university. They do need to offer official CE hours. In other words, the course you take needs to give the person who's taking the course official CE hours for completion. Those CE hours can be approved by an organization, institution, or individual, such as AHNCC. These courses do not need to be endorsed by the American Holistic Nurses Organization, although they do offer excellent courses that you could choose to take. What if you have a question about whether or not a course will be accepted for the application requirement? You can always ask questions. Send emails asking questions about courses, or you can call us. Another question that we get is what CE courses will best help prepare me or yourself for the Nurse Coach Certification Examination. As I mentioned earlier, any official CE hour courses that will help build your knowledge base in nurse coaching, in the role of nurse coaching, communication building, relationship and patient-centered care, maybe nutrition or healing therapies. All of those can be taken and will be accepted. But there are some courses that will best prepare you for the Nurse Coach Certification Exam. And these courses are identified on our website under the resources page. And they are also identified here. There are several nurse coaching programs. Advancing Nurse Coaching. The International Nurse Coach Association offers an integrative nurse coach program. The Huntington Meditation and Imagery Center. The Transformative Nurse Coaching and Wisdom of the Whole Coaching Academy. Almost all of these courses offer both the 60 CE hours required as well as the supervision requirement, which is 60 practiced hours or supervised hours in nurse coaching. I believe that all of these courses now are also available online. So I would invite you to go to the programs, take a look, see if these offer what you're looking for. They will help you meet both the C&E requirement as well as the supervised practice requirement. And that is necessary as you prepare for and in order to apply for the certification examination. Your CE hours have to be met within 3 years of applying for the certification examination. So if you take a course within 2 years or 3 years or 1 year of applying, you're fine. If you take a course that is 4 years old, it will not be considered current and you will need to take another CE program. So if you take a program with the intent to apply, please apply as soon as possible so you don't have to resit for new CEs. How many practice hours do I need to apply to take the Nurse Coach Certification Examination? You need 2 years full-time or 4,000 hours within the last 5 years as an RN. You will be working in an independent, autonomous role, and we think it's important that you are very comfortable with your nursing practice prior to assuming the role of nurse coach. And as I noted before, there needs to be 60 hours of coaching experience that's been mentored or supervised by a certified nurse coach supervisor. And that supervisor will sign a validation letter stating that they have supervised you, that you need to submit when you apply. And finally, who can I speak to if I have any questions about my CE hours, my supervised practice, my practice as an RN? You can reach us at 785-267-0943, or you can email us at info@ahncc.org. That's info@ahncc.org. Thank you for listening and have a great day.